Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new ramp that's being built by Freetown. They're actually building two new ramps for the Freetown area. There were two ramps there before, so two more will make it four. So you can now get on or off the highway and head in any direction from Freetown. They are also going to do a similar upgrade, or they're going to build them for Innswood. Now, what's happening is when Highway 2000 East West Leg, which is the highway we're looking at now, was built, they didn't put in a lot of exits. Back then, these areas weren't as developed. But over time, the highway did play a big part in these areas expanding. You have thousands of homes being built in St. Catherine and Clarendon. And when you're on the highway, you have an exit for Old Harbour, and then the next exit is Freetown. So there's a lot of, and the Freetown exits are currently limited. You can only get off the highway in one direction, and you can only get on the highway from Freetown and head to Old Harbour. So it's limited. So they're expanding those ramps now to fix those issues. Areas like Innswood have thousands of homes and many more under construction. So if you live in Innswood, you have to either go to Old Harbour, get on the highway there, or head up to Spanish Town and get on the highway there. And if you reach as far as Spanish Town, you probably just drive on the bypass to get into Kingston. So because of so much traffic in this area now, they're putting in new ramps so that more people will use the highway, and that will result in more revenue for Trans-Jamaica Highway. Now they're spending, I'm not sure, they're spending 700 million on this upgrade here at Freetown and the installation of the ramps for Innswood. I think this project is 320 million and the Innswood one is 400 million. They haven't started the Innswood one yet. This is the one that is being done first. So as you can see that car at the bottom of the screen now, it's getting on the highway, but it can only head to Old Harbour. Further down to the left, right by the Hypro feed factory, they are putting in another ramp so you can get on the highway and head to Mandeville if you so desire. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project. It's being done by China Harbour Engineering Company and it should finish within the first quarter of 2025. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.